Guys, what's up? It's me again, Sarah. Welcome back to my channel. So today what we will be doing is a cooking video. This is going to be another one of my special homemade recipes. And today, if you guys can't guess already, we are making beef stroganoff. You guys can see all these ingredients. I'm going to go through them one by one here. So let's go ahead and start with the meat. So we're going to take about 1 pound of meat, and we're going to take a boneless meat and we're going to slice it, and they're going to be finely sliced. I went ahead and already prepared everything. Next we're going to do is take a half of an onion and chop it up into diced pieces. Next item we have is our whipping heavy cream. Okay, we also have our garlic paste. We also have 2 tablespoons of sour cream. We have our mushrooms. We also have 1 cup of beef broth, and back there we have 1 tablespoon of flour. We have washauri sauce, which we're only going to need 1 tablespoon from. We need 1 teaspoon of honey mustard, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and salt you guys can add as you guys wish, however much you guys would like. And we're going to be using our linguine pasta. This is one of my favorite pasta, guys. Okay, and also not to forget, I also have my parsley here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take a large saucepan and we're going to heat up some oil. I went ahead and heated some oil up while I was waiting. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to add in our meat. Okay, we're going to fry that up. And we're only going to be frying this until it gets light golden brown. As you guys can see, I'm just frying it up in my large saucepan. I just put in some oil. So we're just going to keep on stirring until it turns brown. Don't cook this on too high. Make sure it's on a low heat. Okay guys, 10 minutes later, we are literally still frying up the beef. It needs to get a little bit more softer and a little bit more brown. So we're going to cover it again and we're going to keep it on there for about 10 more minutes until you guys can see that the meat is tender. Then you guys can take it off. Okay, we also have our pasta boiling on this side, and we're going to let that one boil for quite a while until it gets soft, of course. About 15 minutes later, this is now done. So we're going to go ahead and transfer it into this bowl. In the meantime, we still have our pasta boiling, so we're going to just let that sit until it's totally done. This is the same saucepan, and we're going to go ahead and we're going to put in 1 tablespoon of butter. We're going to let that melt in the same saucepan. You're going to go ahead and you're going to add in your half diced onion. Now we're going to go ahead and add in our 1 tablespoon of flour. Mix that up. Go ahead and add in the 1 cup of beef broth that we had. We're just going to give that a stir. Should be looking like this. gonna go ahead and let that cook on medium-high heat. It should be looking like this. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in 1 tablespoon of honey mustard or Dijon mustard. We're also gonna add in 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. After a couple minutes, you're gonna go ahead and you're gonna add in your heavy whipping cream. Okay, so that's the way it should be looking right now. Okay, 1 teaspoon. We're also gonna add in 1 teaspoon of salt. Give it a stir. Now while we're stirring this, we're also gonna grab our sour cream. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna add in our sour cream, but before we do so, we're not gonna just go ahead and add the sour cream in by itself. We're gonna take some of the sauce, we're gonna go ahead and dilute it inside of the sour cream, which I had here. The reason why we do this is because you don't want the sour cream to go inside the sauce and become lumpy. So you're gonna go ahead and mix this while you have it here in a little bowl. We're gonna try to go ahead and get those clumps out so they don't get clumpy. And then once you mix it, you're gonna go ahead and throw that in there. Alright, there we go. We're gonna just go ahead and mix everything up. Oh my god, the sauce looks so yummy. I cannot even tell you guys. This is looking amazing. We're also gonna go ahead and add in our beef as well. We're just gonna pour that in. Okay, you guys. And just before we take it off the stove, we're gonna go ahead and add our parsley. You guys can add as much as you guys would like. I just like to see some green in there. So we're gonna go ahead and cover that and let that simmer on low. Here it is, the final product. I literally love the sauce. It looks so good. I can't wait to dig in. This is my bowl. I'm gonna go ahead and plate it for you guys. And let's see how this tastes. And there is the bowl. This is the way the bowl looks. I'm gonna just give it a taste test to see how it tastes. It tastes wonderful. All the flavors came together to make a wonderful, nice, rich sauce. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to show you guys more. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for showing so much love and support.